फॉर्मलिनाचेर घाल्ल्यो 5 याचिका हायकोर्टान सध्या एकठांय सुनावणेक घेतल्यात. थंय केंद्रीय फूड सेफ्टी स्टँडर्ड्स ऑथॉरिटीन कोर्टा मुखार कांय मुद्दे घाले ते अशे.
As per our scientific panel's report, there is no regulations framed with respect to the naturally occurring formalin in fish. They have to do a study on this particular topic, that what is the naturally occurring formalin in the fish. Once the scientific panel decides this issue, this will be forwarded to the scientific committee, and scientific committee, if agreeable to this particular panel's report, then they can recommend this thing for the legislature to decide and to frame the regulations on this particular topic, and then only the regulations can be framed with respect to the naturally occurring formalin.
संशोधनाक शॉर्टकट नाशिल्ल्यान FFSAIन मागिल्लो 2 वर्सांचो प्राझ कोर्टान दिलो.
Now this all things has to be framed by doing particular research, and it cannot be done in a haphazard manner. It requires a time. For each species there is a different contents of naturally occurring formalin, and they have to examine all those things.
मजगती फॉर्मेलिनाचेर कोर्टान एकठांय केल्ल्या 5 याचिकांच्या नोटिशेवेल्यान कोर्टाचो अवमान केलो म्हूण मडगांव पालिकेच्या सीओक कोर्टान 25,000चे जामीन पात्र वॉरंट काडला. ताका 20 डिसेंबराक स्वता कोर्टात हाजीर रावंक सांगला. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.